Want to see exactly what Quonset Barndominium floor plans you can build for under $150,000? Today I am walking you through 5 real Quonset designs with complete breakdowns of every space, including blueprints, exteriors, living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Stay until the very end, because I am revealing exactly where you can get these affordable Quonset plans. Let's explore these unique curved arch homes. Hey everyone, welcome back. Quonset Barndominiums offer incredible value, but finding actual floor plans designed specifically for these curved structures can be challenging. Today I am showing you 5 real Quonset plans that work within a $150,000 budget, analyzing each design in detail so you understand exactly what you are getting. We are covering 5 distinct plans ranging from 1,200 to 3,000 square feet. For each plan, I will show you the blueprint layout, exterior appearance, living spaces, kitchen design, bedroom configurations, bathrooms, and any special features. This is your complete guide to choosing the right Quonset plan. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Smash that like button if you want affordable housing solutions. Now let's start with Plan 1. Plan 1, the compact starter. This is a 30 by 40 foot S-model Quonset, totaling 1,200 square feet of finished living space. Total build cost estimates $110,000 to $135,000 complete. Blueprint layout. Simple rectangular footprint with a curved Quonset arch running lengthwise. The plan divides into 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and an open concept main living area comprising 60% of total space. Bedrooms are positioned along one side wall where ceiling height is 8 to 9 feet. The center area with maximum ceiling height houses kitchen, dining, and living. Exterior design. The S model features straight 10-foot sidewalls with a curved arch roof overhead. Metal corrugated siding in tan or gray wraps the structure. One end wall has the main entry door with 2 flanking windows. The opposite end wall can accommodate a large garage door if desired. Small covered entry overhang provides weather protection. The curved roofline creates a modern industrial aesthetic. Living room. The open living area spans 400 square feet under the 16-foot arched ceiling. Large windows on both end walls flood the space with natural light. The dramatic curved ceiling overhead creates architectural interest. Polished concrete floors keep costs low while looking modern. Space accommodates standard sectional sofa, entertainment center, and dining table for 6. Kitchen. Open to living room. The kitchen features 12 feet of counter space along one wall with stock cabinets above and below. Laminate countertops and modern patterns provide function at budget price. Standard stainless appliance package includes refrigerator, range, and microwave. Small island adds prep space and casual seating. Open shelving on opposite wall provides pantry storage while maintaining openness. Bedrooms. 2 bedrooms measure 10 by 12 feet each, 120 square feet. Located along the curved wall, where ceiling height drops to 8 feet. Each room fits a queen bed, dresser, and small nightstand. Closets are 4 feet wide. Simple drywall and paint finishes. Standard windows provide natural light. Bathroom. Single full bathroom measures 8 by 8 feet, 64 square feet. Fiberglass tub shower combo along one wall. Stock vanity with laminate top opposite. Standard toilet. Vinyl plank flooring. Basic lighting and ventilation. Functional, but not luxurious. Special features. This plan maximizes efficiency. No wasted hallway space. Every square foot is usable. Perfect for singles, couples, or small families. Can be built DIY for under $110,000 or professionally for $135,000 complete. Plan 2. The family layout. This 40 by 50 foot Quonset provides 2,000 square feet with 1,400 finished as living space and 600 as attached garage. Estimated cost $130,000 to $150,000. Blueprint layout. Divided into thirds lengthwise. Front third is 2-car garage with concrete floor and overhead door. Middle and rear thirds comprise living quarters with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and open living area. Master suite occupies 1 corner. 2 additional bedrooms share hall bathroom. Exterior design. Full arch Quonset with curved profile from ground to peak. Charcoal gray, corrugated metal siding. Front end wall features large garage door on left, standard entry door on right with 2 windows. Rear end wall has larger windows for living spaces. Simple functional exterior focused on cost control. Landscaping and shutters can enhance appearance later. Living room. Central gathering space of 350 square feet beneath soaring 18-foot arch ceiling. Large windows on back wall. Open to kitchen, creating 600 square feet of combined space. Concrete floors throughout. Exposed ceiling with painted metal roof deck adds character while saving drywall cost. Room for large sectional, TV console, and dining table for 8. Kitchen. L-shaped layout with 18 feet of counter space. Stock white cabinets with laminate countertops. Full appliance package, including dishwasher, in this larger plan. Peninsula separates kitchen from living room, providing breakfast bar seating. Walk-in pantry, 5 by 6 feet, built in a corner. Budget of $18,000 for complete kitchen. Master bedroom, located in rear corner for privacy, measuring 12 by 14 feet, 168 square feet. Position where arch wall provides 9-foot ceiling. Fits king bed, 2 nightstands, and dresser comfortably. Walk-in closet is 5 by 6 feet. 2 windows provide cross ventilation. Secondary bedrooms. 2 additional bedrooms at 10 by 11 feet each, 110 square feet. Located along curved wall. Each accommodates full or queen bed with small dresser. Standard closets. Share hallway access to second bathroom. Master bathroom. 8 by 9 feet, 72 square feet. Walk-in tile shower with glass door. Single vanity with laminate top. Standard toilet. Vinyl plank flooring. Upgraded lighting. Budget approximately $9,000. Hall bathroom. 7 by 8 feet, 56 square feet. Tub shower combo. Single vanity. Standard toilet and finishes. Serves secondary bedrooms. Budget $6,000. Garage. 20 by 30 feet, 600 square feet. Accommodates 2 vehicles with extra storage. Concrete floor. Exposed metal walls. Can be finished later as additional living space or workshop. Plan 3. The open concept. A 40 by 60 foot S-model Quonset totaling 2,400 square feet with 1,600 finished. Cost estimate $140,000 to $150,000 with DIY work. Blueprint layout. Lengthwise division creates 1,600 square feet of finished living space and 800 square feet of unfinished shop. Living area features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and massive open great room. Shop area accessed through interior door for convenience. Exterior design. S-model with 12-foot straight walls and arched roof. More conventional appearance than full arch vertical metal siding panels. Front features large entry door with side lights and transom. Multiple large windows on living space end wall. Shop has 10 by 10 overhead door. Professional appearance suitable for residential neighborhoods. Living room. Expansive 600 square foot great room under 20-foot vaulted arch ceiling. Floor to ceiling windows on one end wall create dramatic light. Open to kitchen and dining. Concrete floors polished with stain. Exposed wood beams accentuate arch. This is the showpiece space where the Quonset design truly shines. Room for full living room set, large dining table, and conversation areas. Kitchen. Large U-shaped layout with 24 feet of counter space. Stock cabinets in gray with white quartz look laminate counters. Full-size island, 4 by 8 feet, with seating for 4. Upgraded appliance package. Walk-in pantry with custom shelving. Budget $22,000. This kitchen rivals traditional homes. Master suite. Occupies one corner at 14 by 16 feet, 224 square feet. Ceiling height 10 feet were positioned. King bed. Seating area. Large dresser, all fit comfortably. 2 windows. Walk-in closet 6 by 8 feet with built-in organizer. Direct access to master bath. Guest bedroom. 12 by 13 feet, 156 square feet. Functions as guest room or home office. Large closet. Private access to second bathroom creates guest suite feel. Master bathroom. Luxurious 10 by 11 feet, 110 square feet. Large tile walk-in shower with bench and dual heads. Freestanding soaking tub. Double vanity with laminate tops. Upgraded fixtures and lighting. Vinyl plank flooring. Budget $12,000. This bathroom is a standout feature. Guest bathroom. 8 by 9 feet with shower-only configuration, single vanity, modern finishes. Budget $7,500. Shop space. 20 by 40 feet, 800 square feet. Unfinished with concrete floor and metal walls. Perfect for vehicles, tools, projects. Access from interior door for convenience. Finish later to expand living space. Plan for the workshop combo. A 50 by 60 foot full arch Quonset totaling 3,000 square feet. Living area 1,500 finished. Shop 1,500 unfinished. Cost $145,000 to $150,000 with extensive DIY. Blueprint layout. Perfect 50-50 split. Front half is 3-bedroom living quarters with 2 bathrooms. Back half is workshop with 14-foot ceiling clearance and large bay doors. Exterior design. Classic full semicircular Quonset arch, industrial aesthetic with corrugated metal throughout. One end wall is living space entry with residential door and windows. Opposite end wall has 2 12 by 14 foot overhead doors for shop access. Side has man door between sections. Functional design, prioritizing utility over ornamental features. Living room, 400 square feet with 16-foot peak ceiling. Connected to kitchen and dining. Standard window arrangement. Polished concrete floors. This plan focuses on providing substantial shop space, so living quarters are comfortable but not elaborate. Kitchen. Galley style with 14 feet of counter on each side. Stock cabinets and laminate counters. Standard appliances. Small eat-in area. Functional workspace. Budget $16,000. Bedrooms. 3 bedrooms at 11 by 12 feet each, 132 square feet. All positioned along curved walls with 8-foot ceilings. Master has adjacent bathroom. 2 secondary bedrooms, share hall bath. Master bathroom, 8 by 8 feet. Shower only. Single vanity. Budget finishes, $6,500. Hall bathroom, 7 by 8 feet. Tub shower combo, single vanity. $5,500. Workshop. Massive 30 by 50 feet, 1,500 square feet. With 14-foot clearance at center. Concrete floor with floor drains. Electrical outlets, every 8 feet. Compressed air lines. LED shop lighting. This is the star of this plan. Professional-grade workspace for serious projects. Plan 5. The Efficiency Studio. Smallest plan at 24 by 40 feet, totaling 960 square feet finished. Estimated cost, $90,000 to $110,000. Blueprint layout. Studio style with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and completely open main area. Most affordable Quonset Barndominium option. Exterior design. Compact S model with straight walls and arched roof. Single end wall entry. Minimal windows to control costs. Simple metal siding. Perfect for building on tight budget or small lots. Living area. 550 square feet of combined kitchen, dining, and living under 14-foot arch ceiling. Completely open with no dividing walls. Large windows on one end. Concrete floors. This plan embraces minimalist living. Kitchen. 1-wall galley with 10 feet of counter space. Upper and lower stock cabinets. Apartment-size appliances. 18-inch dishwasher, 24-inch range. Small rolling island adds flexibility. Budget $10,000. Bedroom. 12 by 12 feet, 144 square feet. Fits queen bed and small dresser. Standard closet. Positioned where arch provides 8-foot ceiling. Bathroom. 6 by 8 feet, 48 square feet. Compact with corner shower, pedestal sink, standard toilet. Tight but functional. Budget $4,000. Special features. This plan delivers homeownership under $100,000 when built DIY. Perfect for singles, young couples, or retirees downsizing. Can always expand later by extending the Quonset structure. Where to get these plans? Now the information I promised. Where can you actually get Quonset Barndominium plans under $150,000? BuildMax offers Quonset-specific floor plans for $1,300 to $2,000. Their plans are engineered for curved structures and include all necessary specifications. They also connect you with builders experienced in Quonset construction. Steel Master Buildings provides free basic floor plans with kit purchases. Their design team helps customize layouts to your needs. Engineering is included for your specific location. Generic Barndominium plan websites like Architectural Designs, houseplans.com, and Barndominium floor plans have some Quonset designs, though they are less common than traditional layouts. Local metal building companies often provide free floor plan services when you purchase their Quonset kit. This is worth exploring in your area. The key is working with plan providers who understand Quonset structures. The curved walls and arch ceiling require specific design considerations that traditional Barndominium plans do not address. I recommend getting plans that include detailed construction drawings, electrical layouts, plumbing schematics, and building specifications. This ensures your builder can execute the design properly and your project passes inspections. These 5 Quonset Barndominium plans prove you can build beautiful, functional homes under $150,000. From the 960 square foot studio to the 3,000 square foot workshop combo, there's a Quonset design for every need and budget. The common thread in all these plans is efficient use of space, smart material choices, and taking advantage of the Quonset structure's inherent strengths. The curved arch creates dramatic ceilings without added cost. Clear span interiors give complete layout flexibility, and the prefabricated nature keeps construction costs manageable. If this video helped you understand Quonset Barndominium plans, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest alternative housing content. Drop a comment telling me which plan you would choose and why. I read every comment and love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching these Quonset plans. Now choose your design and start planning your affordable Barndominium. I will see you in the next video.